Kittens are 7 weeks old now. They're thriving, they're playing, super energetic, just healthy and happy. Mum is too, as you can see. She loves playing with her babies, when she can catch up with them, that is. Be sure to stay tuned. We have our first vet visit next week for our vaccinations and microchipping. We've also still got 2 boys available. Do get in contact if you are interested. We've got tons of photos and videos that we would love to share with you. Thank you for watching as ever.